Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolates to sell. First, select high-quality couverture chocolate, which melts smoothly and sets beautifully. You'll also need flavorings like extracts or essential oils, and any inclusions such as nuts or dried fruit. Next, prepare your workspace by gathering molds, a double boiler or microwave, and a reliable thermometer. Remember, cleanliness is crucial, so sanitize all your tools and surfaces before you begin. This ensures your chocolates are safe and delicious for your customers. Tempering is key for professional-looking chocolates with a satisfying snap and shine. Gently melt your chocolate to about 115 degrees Fahrenheit, then cool it down to 82 degrees Fahrenheit while stirring constantly. Finally, bring it back up to 88 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit for perfect working temperature. Once tempered, carefully pour the chocolate into your prepared molds. Tap the molds gently on your counter to remove any trapped air bubbles, ensuring a smooth, flawless surface. After molding, it's time for cooling. Place your filled molds in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the chocolate to set firmly and contract slightly, making demolding much easier. Patience is important here. Don't rush the cooling process. Once fully set, gently flex the molds to release your beautiful chocolates. They should pop out easily with a little pressure, revealing their perfect shape and glossy finish, ready for packaging. Now that your chocolates are ready, thoughtful packaging is essential for selling. Use food-safe materials like cellophane bags or small boxes to protect them and keep them fresh. Attractive packaging enhances their appeal and makes them perfect for gifts or retail. Consider adding a small label with your brand name and ingredients. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. With careful presentation, your delicious homemade chocolates are ready to delight customers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.